Welcome to Puzzle Divination. I'm Iris Knightstar. In today's reading, I'll be pulling a familiar to help guide the tone of today's message, and then we'll have a look for a word in the grid, and I will demonstrate how to interpret the word with its literal meaning, its numerology meaning, and what the placement within the grid signifies. Okay, so let's see who's stepping forward today. Ooh. Okay, so we have the buck stepping forward. And let's see what aspect of the buck is going to help us today. Okay, that seems appropriate since we're in autumn. We have the autumn buck. And let's find, oh, there we go, autumn buck. Okay, so this majestic chap is who's going to be guiding today's message with us. Okay, this is the grid that we've been working with this week. As you can see, I've highlighted the two words that we've already found just to make those stand out a bit better on the camera for you guys. And let's have a little look, see what words are going to pop up today. Now, you can do word searches any way you choose, of course, but I generally sort of scan across from the top, and I see synergy appearing here. Okay, so let's circle that. Synergy. It's the third word that we found within the grid. Okay. So we have the autumn buck, who's going to bring maturity, stability and wisdom that comes from experience. This familiar is encouraging you to move with grace, not force, and to recognise where cooperation or partnership can open new pathways. It's about knowing when to stand alone and when to walk beside others. And of course, the literal meaning of synergy means two or more forces combining to create something stronger than any one of them alone. It's collaboration, alignment and shared momentum. Now, in numerology, we assign a number from 1 to 9 to each letter of the alphabet. And you can see here, and I've got a little table in my book, so it's easy to refer to. And then you just, so synergy would be S is 1, Y all the way over here is 7, and so on. So we add all the numbers together, and synergy adds up to 41. So again, that's not a single digit, so we reduce that down. 4 and 1 is a 5, so synergy is a 5 number. And you can see here in my high quality graphic, synergy is running here, so it's appearing in box 5. So 5 is bringing movement, change, adaptability and opportunity. It says the dynamic is shifting and in a good way. Something grows stronger when you stop trying to do everything alone. What's particularly interesting about the word today is that synergy is a 5 word and it's appearing in box 5. And when the number of the word matches the number of the box, it amplifies the message. And here is the message of change, movement and alignment is twice as strong as if it appeared elsewhere in the grid. Words appearing in box 5 indicate a pivot moment, something opening, shifting or expanding. So synergy in box 5 suggests a powerful alignment forming right now, a movement or connection that can change your direction. So with our good friend here, the autumn buck, guiding today's energy, synergy speaks to a powerful alignment forming around you. The numerology of the word reduces to 5, and because it also appears in box 5, that message of movement, change and momentum is amplified. This is a turning point. Something becomes stronger when you stop carrying everything alone. The autumn buck encourages steady, grounded cooperation, reminding you that shared effort can open new paths far more quickly than solitary effort. Stay flexible, open, and willing to collaborate. Synergy creates the breakthrough today. Let me know in the comments what synergy means to you. Don't forget to subscribe to be informed when each new daily reading is uploaded. And as always, decode, discover, divine.